Let's take a look in this video of how simple it is to make a specialty side for a cabinet or a locker. I'm going to select panels, bring open our straight. Let me move this over here so you can see it. I'm working a reduced size screen for the video capture, so I already have a size in there. I want 21 by 84 by 3/4 inch thick. I'm just going to hit the preview and insert that into the main drawing, and there's my dimensioned panel. I'm going to go over here and select the tools. I'm going to select the side arc tool. Select the side I want to add an arc to. I have a 16 by 8 inch arc already. I'm just going to add that to the panel so we have our shaped panel here. Now let's make the fastening holes, CNC operations. So I'm going to go to drill. I'm going to select the top to reference these from, and I'm going to select my 5mm screw holes, and I'm just going to preview those and insert those. So if you look here, we have the holes at the top. I'm going to go back to my drill tool, select the bottom of the panel this time, choose the exact same setting and insert those because it references from the side you select. So we have our construction holes top and bottom of this panel right now. I'm going to go back to the drill tool. We're going to select the top of this panel again. This time I'm going to select my holes, which are basically a couple of locating fastening holes for the top shelf or the metal brackets going across the locker. Then I'm going to go back to drill. I'm going to select the bottom. Whoops. And then we're going to use my bottom holes. And we're going to add those, which is, we zoom in here, that's the holes for the shelf or the seat top to go across there. So we've created a side of a locker. If you only want to do one of these, I can go ahead and just send that to code. But what I want to do is, let's say I want to do 40 of these lockers. Okay, so I'm going to go to DXF out. I'm going to call this locker. We'll call this left side. And let's say I want to have 20 of those. And I can select the material here I want to make out of, but what I'm going to do is uncheck the nest parts option. I'm just going to click OK here. I have a today's work folder. I create my own folder. Matter of fact, I'll just create a folder real quickly and just call this lockers. And inside lockers, I'm going to save the left side and select save. Okay, I'm pretty much done with that. Okay, I don't want to go through all the trouble of remaking the right side because it's just like the left side. So I'm going to go back to my toolbar, open this up, slide this up here where you can see it. Usually I would slide that off screen. I'm going to take the mirror tool, pull this down here so you can see it. I'm going to tell it to select everything in the drawing, and I don't really care which way it mirrors here. I'm just going to tell it to delete the original and click OK. And now we have our right side. So I'm going to go to DXF out. We're going to call this right side. I'm just going to take and copy that, paste that, and let's say I want 20 of those. This time I'm going to recheck. I want to nest these parts because I want to go ahead and just expedite this little drawing. So I'm going to click OK here. We're going to save this as right side. It's going to go ahead and open up our nesting. I'm going to tell it OK. So here's our 20 parts here. Now I want to also add in the left side. So I'm going to click this, go back to our lockers folder, add the left side. That's going to automatically bring in those other 20 left sides. I'm going to tell it to nest. There's all of our sheets done and laid out. It's only going to get 2 per panel for the way I've got this thing sized. Then I'm just going to go quick code, and the program is going to march through and create all the G code for all the different panels. That's how simple and straightforward it is. Just create a specialty part or a locker side or whatever you need to do. with RouterCAM. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate your time.